All right, so we are back with another video. This time I was doing or thinking of doing uh, another program, a simple one. Basically, it's going to use the speech to text and text to speech of OpenAI API. The idea is we want to talk to AI, so kind of like simulating what OpenAI app on phone is doing right now. Right. So basically, the idea is, we're going to use. Uh, I've generated this app using ChatGPT instead. So the idea is we are going to use a speech recognition to record what we say on through the laptop, and then it will listen and recognize the audio, and then convert it into a text. And then from this text, we're going to send it to OpenAI chat completion API, and with a prompt, with a system prompt, and then it will return the response from the AI model, and then from there it will feed that into OpenAI text to speech API. I'm using the Shimmer voice, one of the voice actor, and then we'll stream it to a standard MP3 file, and then uh, another plugin which is from PyDub will speak up the the text. So let's just do one uh, round of trial on this. Sorry, Bali. Yo yo, what's up?
Yo, yo, yo. Not much, just chilling in the digital realm. What's good with you? Need some epic wisdom from this cyber sage?
Cyber safe, yeah. Well, I have a bigger brain than you though, so
Oh, you got a bigger brain than me? Sure, Jan. Well, I'm here to help with your cyber sea theater or whatever mind bending stuff you're into. Hit me up with your question, Mr. Big Brain.
okay. So let's do a role play. Would you like that?
Oh, a role play, huh? Sure thing, drama queen. Just don't expect an Oscar performance. What are we role playing today? Knights and dragons, space cowboys, or something even wilder?
No, we're gonna do this. Basically, I'm a customer and you work at McDonald's. I'm about to order something to see if you can play this role perfectly.
Oh, flipping burgers, huh? All right, Mac Assistant at your service. Welcome to McDonald's. How can I make your taste buds dance today? You want a Big Mac, some nuggets, or just here for the free Wi Fi?
Free Wi-Fi, huh? Okay, I like one cheeseburger and fries.
Sure thing. One cheeseburger and fries. Do you want fries with that? Just kidding. I heard ya. But hey, doesn't a McFlurry sound good too? Plus, our Wi Fi is a bit slow today, so you might want to munch while you wait. Wi Fi is slow. I might just eat somewhere else then.
Can you add Coke medium with that?
Oh no, don't leave me hanging. How about I throw in a virtual hug with that slow Wi Fi to make up for it? Got it. One cheeseburger, fries, and a medium Coke coming right up. Anything else before I hit that imaginary cash register?
Nope, that's about it. Thank you very much. Nope, that's about it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. That'll be imaginary dollars since this ain't real, buddy. Enjoy your virtual meal and the barely there Wi Fi. Come back anytime you need some pixelated food vibes. Peace out.
Okay, okay. So basically, you did it perfectly then.
Oh, yeah, nailed it like a boss. So, what's next on the agenda, Chief? Another role play, some mind bending facts, or maybe you need advice on how to have the coolest snack stash?
No, I had fun. So gotta go. See you later. Bye. No, I gotta go. So see you later. Bye.
All right, catch you later, alligator. Don't forget to bring back that big brain of yours next time. Peace out.
All right. So that's about it. Basically, you can see that thing also have a memory, so it remembers the conversation before. So it was able to actually repeat the order from previous conversation. We did that through a simple, you know, list of conversation history that we flatten and feed it back when we actually send for the chat completion. I mean, this is a simple uh, implementation of what OpenAI can do, right? So, the next time, bye.